Yes. Good morning, all my dear students. Myself Farin Sheikh, myself Farhin Sheikh from Powai Municipal English Secondary School. Welcome to all for statewide online lecture. So, student, let's start today's topic, and it's from writing skill. But before starting the lecture, I would like to give you some one example of our day-to-day life. Students, when you suppose you go for a birthday party of your friend, okay, many times we attend such festivals, many times we attend such events, some parties, and we go to their house to attend those, okay, or we keep some functions at our home. So when you attend that function or when you attend that birthday party of your friend, and when you come back to your home, the very first thing what you do is you describe all the function what happened over there, right? The very first thing, you get very excited and you are very eager to describe that event to your parents or to your friend at your home or to your brother or sister at home, right? So what you describe in that when you visit, when you attend such parties or when you attend such event, you describe every bit of it, every small, you can say, the what happened in that party, every small description you narrate to your parents or to your brother or sister. At what time you reached, what you were wearing, what about the guest, those who were there, how your friend was looking, how you were looking, and what you ate, what was the menu, whether you liked it or not, who were some special guests came in that party, what you did in that party, at what time you reached, at what date the party was kept, right? So all these very small bits you narrate to your parents or your friends or your brother or sister. So children, today's our topic is related with that, and that is the topic from writing skill is report writing. Children, I have seen that many of the students are having the phobia of report writing. What they do is they just keep away from report writing because the name itself gives them a kind of phobia in their mind, and they feel that, oh, I'm not able to write report writing because it has so many, you can say, formalities to write in the paper, and you just attend the optional question for that. But I would like to tell you, children, that report writing is the scoring topic in writing skill. It is really scoring topic in it. So how it is scoring and how many marks you can get in that, what is the format of writing it, that we are going to learn today in this lecture. It is just, I just want to tell you that it is just the narration of what you have seen. Many times we see the news on TV channels. What is that? They just report what has happened. I repeat, the news reporters, they report what has happened when it happened. So all these points we are going to cover in this lecture, and I am sure, children, that at the end of this lecture you will be very confident to write the report writing. I am sure of it. Okay, so let's begin. Here comes writing skill. Now, what are the two questions that come for options? It comes at the position of question number 7A, and it comes for 5 marks, as you all know, children. What is the optional question for it? It is expand the theme. It is expand the theme. Okay. It comes for 5 marks. It is expand the theme or news report. So I better feel that you go for news report because it is really scoring children. Let us see first the format. Only the thing what you are describing, you have to place it in proper format in your answer sheet. Just I gave the example in the beginning that if you have attended the birthday party or any function or any mishappening or accidents you have seen on the road, you always describe that. You share it with someone, but you share it in a random way, right? You describe the place, you describe the time in a random way. The only thing is, while writing report writing in answer sheet, you have to place those points in proper format. That's it. And that is very easy if you look at the format over here. Let us see. So as I told you, it comes for 5 marks, children. Now, what is the format here? The very first serial number 1 you can see here, it is headline, dateline, and byline carries 1 mark. Now, children, please don't get afraid of these words, headline, dateline, and byline. It is nothing but the headline, what you feel like when what you have attended or what you have seen, that becomes your headline. Dateline is at what date it has happened, and byline that we are going to study further. Then second comes introductory paragraph and description of the event. So you have to start with some introduction and you have to describe the event. Just I told you have to narrate of what you have seen or what you have attended. It carries 3 marks, children. Headline carries 1 mark. And the concluding paragraph, it carries 1 mark. So in this way, easily, out of 5 marks, you can easily get 3, 3.5, or even 4 marks in report writing if you place it in proper format. Yes. Here in this lecture today, what we are going to learn about report writing, we are going to see that what is report writing. That means you should understand what is report writing. उसमें क्या होता है, क्या होती है report writing. Then we are going to see the format of report writing. Just as I showed you just now in the previous slide, what is the format, what you have to do in the starting line, that is headline, deadline, byline, then the introductory paragraph, then the description of the event, and the concluding paragraph. This shows your format. Format is very important, children, while writing report. And we are also going to see variety of examples towards the end of this lecture, so that you will be very well confident of writing a report. So what is a report? A report is a brief of an event or incident. Remember, children, very important 2 words we are seeing here. A report is a brief of an event or incident that has already taken place. That means the event which has already taken place and the incident which has already taken place. Now you will ask, teacher, what is the difference between event and incident? हमें तो ये दोनों same ही लगते हैं. So that also we are going to see further. Now in your left hand side, children, you can see the newspaper cuttings, right? And the headlines are given. Newspapers तो हम daily देखते हैं अपने घर में, न्यूज पेपर नहीं तो न्यूज चलती है टीवी में, और nowadays जो न्यूज नहीं देखते थे वो भी न्यूज देखने लगे हैं. एंड यू नो द रीजन व्हाई. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोरोना वायरस यहाँ पर सब लोग न्यूज अभी देखना स्टार्ट किए हैं. ओके, सो हियर इज द न्यूज़पेपर cuttings and you can see the headlines are given here. So so report is a brief of event or incident. Now let us see, let us clear the confusion here. Again here, the report should be clear and concise document, children. It should be very clear and point to point. देखो यहाँ पर तुम्हारा जो कंटेंट है वो कम हो जाता है if you write in a very precise way or in a very brief way. जब तुम्हें बहुत कम कंटेंट लिखना होता है तो तुम्हारी मिस्टेक्स भी कम होती है, राइट? सो report writing, in report writing you have to be very clear and concise. Concise means very brief. थोड़ा मैटर लिखना होता है तुम्हें, कट टू कट, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. सो कम लिखोगे तो मिस्टेक्स भी कम होगी, right? And it should be for purpose. Purpose I already told you about. It is event or incident. Report is written for school news or journal or newspaper. So that makes your a complete report. As I told you earlier also, newspaper report is about the incident or event, children. So it is about the incident or it is about the event. Now we will ask teacher, just clear us what is incident and what is event. So here comes your answer, children. Newspaper report. On your screen, you see in a very clear way what is event and what is incident. I give you just 1 or 2 seconds to read in your mind. Event के examples दिए हैं bracket में, और incident के भी examples दिए हैं bracket में. So by just reading the examples, you might have understood very well what is the difference, children. So here I clear your doubt that event is the function or the parties, the festivals or the programs that we arrange. Remember, event is the thing that we arrange for ourselves. It is somewhat like the celebration of something. I repeat, it is the celebration of something. Example like function, seminar, meeting, party, festival, and program. So event is, I repeat, children, you can take the screenshot of this slide. It will definitely clear your doubts. Event is the celebration of some program or something that we have arranged. Coming to next is accidental report. It is nothing but the incident. I told you reports are of 2 types. It is event or incident. Remember these 2 words. So what is incident? That happens naturally. Some mishappenings, some accidents, some flood, some collapse. Somewhere like building collapse, flood takes place, road accidents happen nowadays in a much like frequently. Fights, there are fights also, and so on. So all these news we get in our newspaper are, or they are shown on our televisions. And every one day or the other, we get such news, children. about some parties has happened, some festival has taken place, some meeting was arranged, some function was arranged, or some incident or accident has taken place. So we see such reports. Now what we have to do is we have to just write down these reports in our answer sheet. Now how to do that? See, I have taken some cuttings of newspaper for you children. It is the exam. Now I guess you have very well understood about the event and incident. So here are the cuttings of some important event of report writing. You can read the headlines here on the newspaper articles. Junior school has arranged some exhibition. In our schools also, we arrange many times some sorts of exhibitions like science exhibition, some books exhibition, some competitions are held in our school. You can see in the right corner, blood donation camp. That is also an event. You can see one school has arranged for the annual event. Some annual gathering has taken place. So these are the titles of report writing, headlines of report writing. It is an event. Here also you can see some newspaper cuttings like eco-friendly activities for students. Some literacy day is celebrated. Then some kids have arranged the dancing and drama art. Okay. So what are these? These are the events, children, which are celebrated and the report is given in the newspaper. Now here by reading the headlines, I guess you can very well see now it is the examples of incident. Accidents has taken place. One is injured, then flood is there in your left hand side. You can see region braces for flooding, road accidents, news is there. So these are the incidents that has taken place and we read in our newspapers. Earthquake has taken place, then terrorist attack is there, military camp attack is there, then road accidents, 7 killed in 2 road accidents. So I guess children you have understood that how the headlines are given in the newspaper and what type of news comes in our newspaper and TV channels. Next comes, take the screenshot of this slide children, very important, very useful for you. What should be there in your format of report writing? Let us see. The heading should be there. There should be a proper heading. There should be a proper heading. Sorry. There should be a heading. There should be a byline. Now you will ask me what is byline, children? Yes, I'm going to show you what is byline. It is just a single word. And that is, the word is by staff reporter. Children, I would suggest you that you just mug up this word. No need to write your name or no need to write from XYZ. अब कोई तो है जो न्यूज दे रहा होगा ना, तो उसका नाम भी होना चाहिए. So better you write by staff reporter. By staff reporter in the left hand side. I'm going to show you that also. So there should be a heading in your report writing. There should be a byline. There should be a date and place. Date और place तो होनी चाहिए ना कि वो incident या event कब हुआ है और कहाँ हुआ है. Then there should be an opening paragraph. In opening paragraph, better write the starting of where it happened and the account of event. Account of event is the description and the conclusion. So if you cover these 6 points, children, in a very simple way, you are very sure to get maximum marks. You are very sure to get maximum marks if you cover only these 6 points, right? So here comes the answer for your questions. Take the screenshot of this. So while writing a report, what points you should cover and how is the format? Children, you can see here you should write the heading, the title, as we have seen in the newspapers, how the title is given. अब कोई भी report या news बिना heading के तो नहीं होगी, right? So there should be always a heading when you write a newspaper report. Place is also important. Better to write the place in the left hand side corner. It is compulsory to write place. Then below that, or in this line also, you can mention the date. So place and date can be in one line. And this reported by you. I told you to write this reported by as staff reporter. So you can write this staff reporter here also by staff reporter. So all these 3 points will come in the left hand side alignment. What is that? Here I told you as the heading, children. Heading just you can pick up from the question itself. जो भी question दिया रहेगा उसी को heading बना लो. No need to think more. Then place लिख दो if you don't remember. अगर question में place नहीं दिया है, if it is not given in the question, you can write Mumbai. अगर question में place दिया है, please write that place only. Many times it is given in the question and sometimes it's not given. So be careful about that. Place दिया है तो readymade place का नाम लिख दो. And very important to mention the date also because report वो जो event या incident है वो कब हुआ है ये पता होना चाहिए ना. हमें सबको बताना है कि वो event या incident कब हुआ है. So date is very compulsory. And then you can write by staff report. So children, if you write only these 4 lines, heading, place, date, and by staff reporter, even if you write these 4 lines, you will easily get 1 mark. Your 1 mark is sure here. Let's go to next. What should be your first line? Your first line should contain of all these WH questions, first and second line. That is what, who, when, where, and why. Mug up these WH question. What, who, when, where, why. What, who, when, where, why. So if you answer these 4 to 5 questions, your report is ready, children. As I gave you the example in the beginning only. Ki what? Kya hua hai? Very simple. It is there in your question. Ki kya hua hai? If you are writing about some celebration. If science exhibition is done in your school. So kya hua hai? Science exhibition hua hai. Correct? Who has arranged this? Your school. You can write the name of any school. You can give any other name also. Ki who has arranged that? When it is arranged, हमें फिर से वही डेट लिखनी है जो हमने ऊपर लिखी है, बराबर. और where it happened, you have to give the place also. तो कौन सी सिटी में हुआ है या कौन सी स्कूल में हुआ है, वहां का सिर्फ प्लेस लिख दो. और क्यों हुआ है, why it is arranged, why that science exhibition is arranged. You can give the reason that to show the creativity of the students. And many other schools students were also called to show them some innovative models. You can give such reasons. So if you answer these 5 questions, children, your body of the report writing is ready. Here you can easily get 2.5 marks, 2 or 2.5 marks. Main content here. Now how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. How the event started, you can start with the students from other schools, or you can give the name of some chief guest also, कि तुमने किसी chief guest को बुलाया था उसे inaugurate करने के लिए. You can give variety of names, and chief guest ने भी कोई speech दिया, your HM gave some speech. Just narrate the incident, narrate the event. जैसे तुम सुनाते हो किसी को शेयर करते हो कि क्या हुआ था, in the same way you have to place it on the paper. And conclusion, summarize the end of the event with a positive note. अगर event का report लिख रहे हो तो तुम्हें किसी positive note से ही end करना है, that the function or the exhibition was very beneficial for the students, all enjoyed it, and they got some innovative ideas also. In the positive lines, दो line भी इसमें लिखा, that is also good. So I hope children this format is very useful for you all and very scoring also. And you might have understood how to write report writing in a proper format. It's very simple, children. I repeat, write the headline, write the place and date, and write the word by staff reporter. No need to write any other thing. By staff reporter, तुम लोगों ने लिख दिया, enough. And while writing the content, answer these 5 questions. What, who, when, where, why. You can get the answers of this question in the question itself, question paper itself. Let's move ahead. Now I have brought for you the examples. अभी जो हमने देखा है last slide में, उसी के साथ एक example मैंने यहाँ पे join किया है. On your screen you can see the answer, children. देखो headline है यहाँ पर, celebration कोई नाम दे सकते हो headline पर, place and date, how it is placed in a proper format on your answer sheet. Then introduction, then you can give the answer of these 5 questions: what, who, where, when, and why. And the main body and the positive note. Children, you can write here, you can read the paragraph which is given in yellow color. See here, the school has arranged, was decorated with flowers and small flags. The program started with the welcome speech by the principal. The students presented various colorful program, dance, song, one act play, and some chief guest name you can give, or any you can tell as the mayor was called, or any representative was called for the function, and he also gave the motivating speech. These lines are very common to all event report writing, I'm telling you, event. So you can practice these lines by writing. ये lines जो है सारी report writings के लिए common है. You can take the screenshot of this slide. Then the positive note के लिए भी तुम लोग ये line mug up कर सकते हो. You can, this is also common to all the report writings. There was great enthusiasm. Sweets and biscuits were given to all, and the program ended up at 4 p.m. with the speech by principal. So this becomes your positive note. Something good you have to end with. Next is, let's have one example of incident. By reading the title, you might have understood it is an example of incident, children. Tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So किसी बच्चे को टाइगर ने अटैक किया है गांधी नेशनल पार्क में, and you have to write a report. So heading you get in the question itself, उसी को heading बना दो. Date line, if it is given in question, write the date. Lead line, again the combination of headline and date line, and the body of the report. As I told you, you have to answer the 5 WH question: what, where, who, when, why. If you answer this, your body of the report is ready. And see your conclusion of the incident report. The forest department should fence the forest area so that these animals will not enter in the human settlements. तो यहाँ पर एक एडवाइस दिया है कि फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने कंपाउंड बनाना चाहिए कि एनिमल्स कोई ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स में ना जाए. It is the concluding line. So very simple, children. You can see on the screen how the headline, deadline is arranged. But remember, the red words are written for your understanding. वो तुम्हें पेपर में नहीं लिखना है कि headline ये है, deadline ये है. No. As I showed you in the previous slide, you directly have to give the headlines and deadlines and bylines. Let's see here one more example. A serious road accident took place and 3 were killed. So here comes by staff reporter. There is a place also. It is Ghatal, and it happened on February 21, 2020. One accident took place, and where it took place, when it took place, you can see on the screen 10 a.m. at the Aurobindo Stadium. How it happened between the bus and the lorry, then why it happened. 12 passengers were seriously injured. Then local people took them to hospitals. In this way, you have to narrate the incident. कि क्या हुआ है वहां पर. You can also take the screenshot of this slide, children, and you can write down in your writing skill notebook for report writing. Short and sweet report, very brief. As I told you in the beginning, you have to be very brief and concise in your answers. The main is your headline, byline, date, and place. Once you start with this, your marks also starts. One more example here of inter-school sports event. Inter-school sports event reported by Gotham 10A, or you can, as I told you, you can write staff reporter. It happened on 7th April 2020 and OT. Place is OT. And again in the body, you have to answer the WH question, where it happened in the VTM school, when it happened on 4th April, where it happened at Nehru. See, in the red color it is written who, where, and the district collector was invited as the chief guest for the event, and so on. You can give the report. Screenshot you can take and write in your writing skill notebook. This is also example of World Environment Day celebrated by Sunrise Academy, and the report is given when it is celebrated on 5th June 2020, at what time, at 9:30, and how the school celebrated it. It's given in the second paragraph and the concluding line. It is very now the running and hot topic, COVID-19 positive in XYZ village. है ना? Such news, we are daily hearing such type of news. So it is very possible that such type of questions may come for your exam about this coronavirus. Any report writing or any speech or any letter, in any one of the writing skill topic, it may come. So be prepared for that also, children. It may come, possibility is there. So we have to be ready for that. So COVID-19 reported in village. So this is the categorized topics of report writing, like accidents, sports, strike, rain, celebration, shooting, looting, or blast, etc. These are the hot topics of report writing. These are the school topics, children. You can take the screenshot of this. Blood donation camp, sports day, Independence Day, Republic Day. These all we celebrate on at our school level. So this report writing may also come on such topics. These are the events. Now here I am giving you a very useful sentences, children. Shorten your sentence and improve your report writing. How it is? See. Now you have to give the names while writing event. While writing report of some event, you have to give some name of the chief guest. So better, I have categorized for you. You can write district collector at the very hush and bush time while writing the paper. You don't remember the name also. So better write district collector, district educational officer, chief educational officer was invited as the chief guest. You mug up these words. ये वर्ड्स जो है ये सारे कॉमन हो गए हमारे इवेंट रिपोर्ट राइटिंग के लिए. किसी चीफ गेस्ट को बुलाया है तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशनल ऑफिसर लिख दो. ही ऑल्सो गेव द स्पीच अबाउट सो एंड सो. ही इनॉग्रेटेड द इवेंट और फंक्शन. उन्होंने इनॉग्रेशन किया. द फंक्शन बिगैन विद द प्रेयर सॉन्ग. दीज आर द लाइन्स फॉर योर हेल्प चिल्ड्रन. डोंट मेंशन इट इन द पॉइंट्स. ये मैंने तुम लोगों के लिए लाइंस बताई है दैट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर यू फॉर द बॉडी ऑफ द रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. हेडमास्टर डिलीवर्ड द वेलकम स्पीच. Then students also gave motivating speech. All participated in the event. Chief guest distributed the prize. Then there was vote of thanks and there was the closing with the national anthem. These are all the common lines for report writing. Very common lines for report writing. And especially for the event. Especially for the event children. I repeat, it is for the event report writing. These lines will be very useful for you for writing the body of the report. Now it's your turn. I hope I have cleared your doubts. I hope I have boosted up your confidence of writing a report and how you may get the maximum marks. How the report writing is a scoring topic you might have understood till now. And very simple also if you put it in the proper format. Now it's your turn by using use the following examples to write your own report. Remember to include all the parts of a news report you have seen here. So it's your turn, children. I'm giving you some homework also for this. Nowadays, technology used to connect classrooms. These nowadays we all are using the digital technology for connecting with each other. We are connected with each other by this technology. So on this topic only, you have to write a report. Now, why we are using this technology? Because of the COVID. Then how we are using the digital way, we are using the Zoom app, we are using mobiles and laptops, and we are getting connected with the teachers, and teachers are getting connected with our dear students. So in this way, you have to prepare a report. One incident report, like road accident took place on SG highway in Ahmedabad. Write a report on it. These are your homework, children. Take the screenshot and try to write the way I have shown you. The very hot topic, coronavirus, now it's getting serious. On this topic also, you can write a report. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it will be further now easy for you to write any report and get the quality marks. Thank you so much, children. See you in the next lecture.